Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something extremely important for migrants living in the UK, the government's proposed changes to ILR or Indefinite Leave to Remain. These changes could affect thousands of workers, families, and long-term residents. The good news is, these rules are not final yet. The government has opened a public consultation, which means you can submit your views, your concerns, and your feedback before these rules become law. So in this video, I'll break down what the government is proposing, who will be affected, and how you can comment or respond before the deadline. What is ILR and why is it changing? ILR gives migrants the right to live permanently in the UK without immigration restrictions. Currently, many people qualify after 5 years on certain work, family, or protection visas. But the government says the current system doesn't do enough to reward integration and contribution. That's why they're proposing a new system called earned settlement. Key proposed changes. Let's go through the most important changes the Home Office is considering. 1. Longer path to ILR. Most people on work routes may need up to 10 years before they can get ILR. This is a major shift from the current standard 5-year route. 2. New English language requirement. English level may increase to B2, which is higher than the current B1 requirement for settlement. This affects workers, family route migrants, and others. 3. Contribution integration tests. People may need to show proof of contribution, such as stable employment, paying taxes, national insurance, community involvement, clean criminal and financial record. Basically, ILR becomes something you earn rather than receive automatically. Star for possible restrictions on benefits. The government is also asking whether ILR holders should continue to have no recourse to public funds, meaning limited or no access to certain benefits until later in their residency. Could it affect people already in the UK? This is a big question. The consultation does not clearly confirm whether existing visa holders will be protected under current rules. This is why many people are urging migrants to respond to the consultation. Who will be most affected? These changes could affect several groups. Skilled worker visa holders, especially those on lower salaries, care workers and health workers, family visa holders, students switching to work routes, people planning the 5-year ILR route. For many lower-paid workers, the ILR timeline could increase from 5 years to 10 or even longer. The consultation, your chance to comment. Here's the important part. These rules are not final. The government is asking the public, including migrants, to give feedback through an official consultation. Consultation link, put this in your video description, gov.uk, earned settlement consultation. The deadline to submit your views is 11:59 p.m. on 12 February 2026. This is your chance to explain how these rules could affect you, your family, your employer, and your future. How to respond? Responding is easy. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes. You can answer multiple choice questions, share personal experiences, explain how the changes would impact your life, suggest better alternatives. Your voice matters. These consultations genuinely influence, not policy, especially when thousands of people contribute. Conclusion and call to action. To sum up, the government is proposing major changes to ILR, longer wait times, higher English requirements, and stricter contribution rules. But nothing is firm yet. This is the time to speak up. So please, if these rules affect you or someone you know, take a few minutes to respond to the consultation. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment your thoughts or questions below. I'll be making more videos on UK immigration updates, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.